What's up, y'all? Y'all, tonight's wreath, I'm gonna use a few pieces out of the wreath supply box. I like this one. It has this really cool glitter texture on it. So we're gonna just do ruffles on it. So we're gonna need 18 ruffles. We're gonna do 30 inches around the bottom and 20 inches around the top. So we're gonna need 10 of these. Now we're gonna cut 8 at 20 inches. All right, let's get our frame out. This is a 15-inch frame. Y'all, we're gonna take our 30-inch pieces. We're gonna take it. We're going to curl our edges up just a few times to hide those cut ends. Then we're going to ruffle it. Then we're gonna add one ruffle all the way around. So 30 inches around the bottom. All right, our next 30-inch ruffle. All right, let's add our 20-inch ruffles around the top. All right, so there's our fun little base. All right, let's get our sign prepped. Y'all, we're gonna take our super glue and put 4 little dots. All right. Let's add our mounting squares. All right, so now I'm gonna put hot glue around this. So it's important that you don't skip this step. All right, we're gonna let that dry. Y'all, let's measure out about 12 inches. Give it a good pinch. Give it a good twist. All right, let's measure out about 7 inches. This ribbon is reversible. Yep. Now let's start on the other side. Give it a good twist. Our loops are gonna get just a little bit smaller. We're gonna bring in some polka dot that matches the sun. All right. Let's add our single loop. So we've got our 20-inch pipe cleaner. We're gonna fold it right in half. We're gonna slide our bow off. All right, we're gonna give it a little squeeze. Let's give this a good twist. So these are all good. They're attached. All right, y'all. This sign looks like a 12-inch to me. So it's a little bit bigger than what I normally use. That's okay. All right, we're gonna just wrap those pipe cleaners around the frame. All right, we got our sign attached. We're going to add our bow right up here. Get this one tied off. So we got our giant bow. Y'all, let's do our tails. We're gonna use the 13-inch tails. We're gonna use our 4-inch first. And we're gonna do the 10 around the bottom first. So we're gonna need 5 of each. All right, so here's 5 of this one. All right, let's do 5 of these. So I'm gonna add the 4-inch with a 1.5 and the skinny ribbon all together. All right, give that a good fold. Give it a good pinch. Give it a good pinch. All right, then just fold it backwards like this, and then add it all the way around. All right. What's the width of the skinny ribbon? 7/8. Now let's go to our next one, y'all. And this one, I'm just gonna use a 2.5 and a 1.5. So we're gonna add these all the way around the bottom layer. I like the colors in this one, y'all. All right, let's clean up our tails. All right, y'all. So as we're looking at it, we can just see there's a spot right there that needs a few tails. And right up there. So it looks like I need 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of tails. So just 2 of each one. All right, let's get these added. Okay, let's add our next ribbon. Y'all, check it out.